Ito, tapos may kasama siyang ballpen. And then, ayan, may pouch din, diba? So beautiful. Hi mga ateng, welcome back to my vlog. So, malapit na ulit matapos ang year 2024, and of course, we have already the planner for Starbucks 2025. So, matagal na to nasa akin. So, ngayon lang tayo mag-unbox. So, tara, unbox na natin. So, shout out pala dun sa mga bago nating subscribers and followers kay Prince. Shout out to you. Ayan, shout out na kita. At sa mga nagbigay ng stickers nila, thank you so much. Ayan, lalagay ko sila dyan. Si Mami Joanna, si Michi, of course si Jetro. Yan yung mga co-mentors natin. Tsaka si Lawrence and si Justin. Thank you so much, guys. So, eto na. Ayan, ang ganda. So, ayan pa lang. May lalagyan pa lang. So, maganda na agad siya. Oh, ang ganda niya, guys. Sabali. So, ayan. Sobrang ganda. I'm so excited. So, I'm so excited to write my planner or my plan for next year. Ayan, oh, ganda niya. So, ayan. Ang ganda. I'm so excited. And that's it for our unboxing for today, for today's video. So if you have other suggestions, you can leave your comment down below. And I hope you have Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So ingat mga ating. So sana sipagin tayo mag-upload ng videos, because busy din tayo sa work. So ngayon lang tayo nakapag upload o nakapag video. So I hope you have a happy new year. Of course, Merry Christmas as well. So stay safe, everyone. Okay, so please like and subscribe, and that's it. Bye.